Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the airbag from your steering wheel in an Audi A7. So first thing you're going to want to do is actually turn the steering wheel where it's facing like this, because what you're going to be looking for is there's actually clips right behind here. You can put a mirror right here on the instrument cluster to see, and then you're going to use a flathead screwdriver to push the clip down. Also, you can just use your phone if you want and put it on a mirror mode, and then that way you can see what you're doing. All right, so what you're going to do is, you see that clip that's right there, you're just going to take a flathead screwdriver and then you're going to push it down. And while you're pushing it down, you can go ahead and pull part of the airbag out, and then you're going to go ahead and turn the steering wheel the other way, and there's one more clip on the other side. You're going to do the same thing. So you can see right here, I got half of it already released. So you're just going to go ahead and turn the steering wheel the opposite way, where this side is actually facing up, and you're going to do the same thing. All right, and there goes the second clip right there. You're just going to put a screwdriver right on top of it, push down, and then go ahead and pull the airbag out. Just so you guys, you're just going to put the screwdriver like this, and then you're going to push down on this clip right here until it releases. All right, so once you got both of the clips released, you can go ahead and actually pull the airbag out. You can see right here, you got two connectors. Make sure that the power on the vehicle is actually off. Do not have the ignition on when you're disconnecting these wires. So for the yellow plug, what I did is actually just took a flathead screwdriver. I put it right here underneath the green clip right here, and then I just pulled it back. And that will release the plug, and then you just pull it right out. Just like that. Now you can go ahead and work on the second one. The second plug was pretty straightforward. It just pulled apart. There was no clip to it. And then once you do that, the airbag is released. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.